If you're in Mumbai, the weekend is wide open. Just head straight to Nasik, load up your car, pack up the essentials, bring your family along, and hit the roads. Just around 190 kilometers and approximately about 3.5 to 4 hours drive, Nasik is one of the most beautiful weekend drives from Mumbai. From Mumbai, take Thane Bhiwandi bypass, reaching Kasaraghat towards Igatpuri and reaching Nasik. From Pune, the travel time is around 5 to 6 hours depending on the road and traffic. The highway driving is exceptionally beautiful. Kasaraghat is the only proper Ghat section on this road. They are not serious Ghat roads, but some stretches get narrow. The road is mostly smooth. For popular weekend spots, the approach roads are mostly paved and fairly easy to drive. On weekends, the traffic gets heavier around the main city entry points, near viewpoints, vineyard roads, temple zones, especially closer to the lakeside villages and dancer roads. As per our camping community, October to February feels the best time for Nasik camping trip. Cool mornings, pleasant nights and comfortable weather make it ideal for tents, caravans and relaxed outdoor stays. If your main plan is camping, this is the sweet spot. For a simple road trip, monsoon, which is from June to September, is completely different experience. Khasra Igatpura stretch is amazingly stunning, but with wetty, partially paved roads and slippery curbs. If your main plan is a scenic drive, monsoon is excellent. But for camping, monsoon needs more planning. Camping situations. Let me share how our camping community members do Nasik. Now there are two ways they usually do camping in Nasik. They either load up their car, pack the essentials and hit the road. Or they simply hire a caravan. Once the travel mode is decided, the next biggest question in camping or caravanning is always stay and safety. See, the lakes, forts and forest side spots in and around Nasik may look tempting, but they are not recommended for self-night camping. That's why many of our members usually plan differently. They shortlist stay properties near Nasik, call up ahead, check for parking space and ask if a caravan can be parked comfortably. Once the stay was sorted, the whole trip became extremely stress-free. The plan was simple. During the day, they drove to peaceful corners around Nasik. Whenever they felt like stopping, they parked their caravan or overlanders, ate some coffee, cooked fresh food, stayed together, played soft music and simply enjoyed quality family time. But by evening, they returned to the property, parked safely and enjoyed a proper stay with washrooms, secure cleaning and peaceful sleep. This is how they travel with their family, enjoy camping and still stay safe. Our camping community believes in creating a peaceful experience for both ourselves and for the place that hosts us. Now Nasik has many temple zones, private farmlands, vineyards, lakeside and local community all around. So whenever we go camping, we stay mindful of our parking choices, cooking choices, sound levels, waste and our overall behavior. If there is a temple near the spot where we are parked or camping, we strongly avoid cooking or eating non-veg items, even eggs for that matter. And no arguing with locals at any cost. If there's a local or temple authorities or officials who come to us and ask us to move, we cooperate respectfully and leave the spot without any conflict. Until dedicated campgrounds become a common thing in India, this kind of respectful adjustment is part of responsible traveling. Essentials you should know. Public washrooms are easiest to find inside the city zones, safe or organized properties. But isolated areas like lakes, dams, there are no public washrooms or facilities. Food, fuel and basic supplies are easily available across Nasik. And finally, which vehicle feels best for this trip? The Nasik trip works really well for families, with kids, couples, road trippers, car enthusiasts, weekend travelers and anybody. Hatchback, sedan, SUV. Whatever you have, drive to Nasik and all you will feel is comfort drive. If you want a premium road trip with Camping wise, near Mumbai, Nashik is easily one of the best options. To get caravan-friendly stays and day camping spots in and around Nasik, comment Nashik below.